Welcome back to the channel everybody. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So the plan for today is to go for a small ride, not far, just 60 kilometers, and the plan is to be back before 9 o'clock. Now the coronavirus is still out there, so we are taking all possible care from our side. We will not be coming in contact with any humans or touching any of the things outside. The plan is to go for a highway to highway out and out ride and come back home totally safe, totally fine, totally fit. So let's go. So the things that I will be carrying with me today is my jacket from Tarmac, level 2 protection, my Axis darken foraza green color helmet, obviously you have to wear helmet, my Tarmac gloves, balaclava goes over there, some hot water to drink on the ride, and some banana. Okay, so started the bike early in the morning. Let's just keep it idling for some time to warm up the engine. Till then I'll wear my jacket and get ready. So I'm all geared up and the time right now is 5:30. Let's go. Okay, so just made it over to Nathan's place and like always he's not awake. The time right now is it's 5:40. I'm on time and this dude is not awake. There's no sight of Doystan too. So today for the ride we had Doystan with his Duke 200 and Nathan with his FZ25 and my beloved Apache 200. What is this called? GoPro frame, no? Or this GoPro thing is broken, man. So no ride videos. I try to vlog like this and then. So this was my first attempt of trying to vlog a ride, and I wanted to mount the GoPro onto my helmet and talk about good things which will be helpful for you. But what happened was, when I was trying to fit the GoPro onto my helmet in the morning at Nathan's place using this mount was already broken. Like there is supposed to be a plastic circular thing over here so that this nut gets properly tightened. So it was broken from two places. So the GoPro frame is broken, so we won't be able to make ride videos. But I'll try my best with the phone to show you as much as possible. Okay, so update. In the morning we went out. First sign to not go for the ride was Nathan's insurance was expired. Second sign, Doystan didn't have number plate. Third sign, 5 minutes into the ride, this happened. And fourth sign, it's about to rain. And the fifth sign, half an hour into the ride, we looked on the top and it was completely filled with rain clouds. We just stopped to think properly, should we take the ride or should we go back home? Doystan put his bike off and it wasn't starting again. But it's a good thing that Doystan knows his bike well, he fixed it. Then we took a U-turn and went back home. Now what happened to my phone was, like in all rides, I have this mobile holder which I bought from Amazon, and this mobile holder is mounted on my Apache. I put my phone on it, properly strap it, and whenever we are riding, it shows us the directions, it shows us where to go. Now I have done 400 kilometers in one day, Goa to Belgaum ride, and this mobile holder showed no problems. The phone was on this mobile holder all the time, it was completely safe, nothing happened. But today there was something wrong with it. Like 5 minutes into the ride, we just left Nathan's place and it popped out of that mobile holder and it fell on the ground. Now when you are riding at 40 kilometers per hour is a very slow speed. But what happens is, when that phone pops and it falls on the ground, there is a much larger impact force acting on it. So it damaged my phone, but it's all right. Phones can be fixed, we cannot be fixed. It's good that we are safe. I'll get the phone fixed, there's no problems, it's all good. So now the plan is we are going for a drive to a place. No, what is that? Diwar Bridge, no? To Diwar Bridge. So let's see how it goes. This car is not an ordinary Ford Figo. Just listen to it, man. Music to your ears, huh? Let's go. Ali, stop dancing and put the window up. Nathan, what happened, man? It's rain over. It's going to rain, come. Ah, shit. Are you good? It's raining, dude.
Why don't you listen to me, my
The
friend?
rain
I'm
has
always
come.
correct, bro. Oh, led by God.
Okay. So sign number 8, we are driving and this happens. There is just nothing that can dim our light. So after a pretty amazing day, we got back home at 9 o'clock because the 3 of us had some work at 10 o'clock. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, support the channel by hitting the subscribe button and let us know in the comment section what you think of this video. Stay tuned to Smokey's Garage. I'll see you guys in the next video.